another woman don't come out, come speak truth to power. Fire, fire everywhere. I don't talk am. You remember saying NAIJA Watch Media. Now we started this whole campaign. And I believe say now my platform be the only platform where you see better women speak truth to power concerning this sexual harassment, allegedly, allegation wey concern Akpabio versus Natasha. But now, other extended women are coming out now, speaking truth to power. Not be the giwa or ita giwa wey come out. That day. No! The woman will come out, so come speak. You need to listen to this woman. Listen.
What are your views of what happened today?
What happened today is repugnant. That is how I'm going to describe it. Because it seems as if our Senate ganged up against Natasha. What, in my own advice to the Senate president, I think that for the fact that Natasha said that accused him of any sexual allegation, what he's supposed to do is to recuse himself, stand aside, so that this case, she said she has the proof. They should allow her to bring out the proof. I remember when Dino Maleye and the wife of the president's case, that Dino said, I can impregnate you. That's sexualizing. What's Nigeria turning into? What's Nigeria turning into? I mean, America, if you check, 95% of women in Nigeria has gone through this abuse. And most of them cannot talk, because if they talk, how are they going to listen to them? How will you know that somebody will want to abuse you sexually? Some people will tell you, bring evidence. What evidence? When a man will meet you, and except if it's planned, in a same country that we are in, what we expect is for the Senate president to step aside and allow this investigation to go on. Nobody is above the law, Sheung. You're a lawyer. And Mr. Yemi is the Senate Speaker. Honorable Yemi.
Thank you, my sister.
Imagine that if this is your wife and this is happening, what are you going to say? Won't you step aside? Won't you advise that person in question to step aside? Apart from being an engineer or you know, I have business in Nigeria, I'm a juror in United States.
Let me ask you. Yes. Let me just for a moment, Senator. Let me ask you, Madam Okendo. Just for a moment.
When someone says
you said no, just for a moment. You said that it does look like there is a disrespect and the honor given to the women folk in the National Assembly. And this, you made reference to past years. What would you say should have been done? What processes or what procedures would you say should have been done to give the woman in the National Assembly their rightful place, a place of honor?
Yes. What I advise is for them to form an independent committee that will look into this and come out with the right judgment.
Apart from the ethics committee that this was being referred to.
Yeah, they should form another committee, an independent committee that will involve 50% of men and 50% of women. The two politicians that spoke, the two women that spoke about her, does not represent us as women. They don't.
Does it give you and your colleagues a fear that the woman is an endangered political species? Is that the kind of feeling that you have?
That's the feeling I have. Not that's the feeling I have, because I experienced it firsthand in Nigeria when I came for my business. A political appointee abused me in front of the whole world. Nobody could come. I had to. It's like all the press, has been shut down. They can't even exhibit their rights as press journalists. Talking on a layman language, how this can be resolved is there should be a bill that is supposed to be passed on women's rights, and I don't know how you people are going to coin it, but on sexualizing women in Nigeria, because it's getting too much. It's like a child's play now. Like men does it without. Look, I have a case in Nigeria that involves sexual harassment, but people told me I should concentrate on the subject matter, because if I say that, it's going to overwhelm my matter.
All right. And Stella, okay, thank you so much. CEO Andy.
Honorable Yemi, you have a wife.
Yes.
Everybody there have a wife.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
And I'm going to tell you for free that some of the things your wife go through, she might not be able to come in to the house and say it to you. I'm telling you, it's happening for real. I'm a woman.
We got it.
Now, listen, when things are happening like this in our country, doesn't matter if this person involved is your favorite or not, let's stand for what is right. Let's say it how it is. Let's stand for truth. You see, this woman will come talk to me, and God bless her. She say the way everything be so, it be like say everybody for inside the Senate now, they are ganging up against Natasha. Don't make me talk am. Now she talk am. You hear her yours now. They are ganging up, and I felt talk am for my broadcast the other day. I talk and say the way these people are going, me I don't understand. How come everybody is in support of Akpabio and against the only female amongst the remaining three in the house? Even the remaining three women inside the house, some of them for inside will not go. They are against Natasha. This woman now don't come out now. Can't speak truth to power. Listen, guys, we will give you a lot of updates concerning this particular matter today. I want Nigeria to work. You don't concern me if you be my papa, if you be my mama, and you want Nigeria to fall. I will speak against you. Nigeria must work. I will live my life. You have to live your own life. For Nigeria to work, you have to be a collective effort. Thank you, guys. This is Naija Watch Media. Press on the like, help us to share. Join us 7 p.m. every day, 365 days in a year on our live broadcast. Thank you.